Mushrooms are used in a wide variety of ways and for a number of reasons. They are grown commercially, eaten fresh, dried or made into extracts. Many of them are used as food supplements and have been found to be effective in treating a wide variety of ailments. The most common mushrooms are the button mushroom, the white mushroom and the portobello. These are all used for cooking, eating and making extracts. The button mushroom is the most common and widely grown type of mushroom. It is grown commercially in huge quantities and is also eaten fresh. It is grown in large amounts in greenhouses and is usually sold in supermarkets. It is important that you know how to grow your own mushrooms. The best way to do this is by using mushroom compost. This is a mixture of sawdust, wood chips, straw and a small amount of manure. This compost is mixed together with water and left to stand for a couple of days before being spread out over the top of your garden beds. The compost should be moist but not soggy. After about 2 weeks the compost will have turned brown and ready to use. The compost can then be used in any way that you want to. You can use it to grow mushrooms, as a mulch around your plants or as a substrate for growing houseplants. Another way to make compost is by mixing the above-mentioned ingredients together in equal amounts. The only thing you need to watch out for is that you don't add too much manure, as this can cause a lot of problems. You should keep the compost at room temperature, about 70 degrees, and mix it every week or so. If you leave it standing for too long it will begin to smell bad. This is due to bacteria breaking down the organic material and releasing gases such as methane and ammonia. This will cause the compost to smell unpleasant. When making your compost, it is important that you get the right balance of ingredients. Too much manure will give off a strong smell, while too much straw or wood chips will dry out quickly. A good balance will mean that your compost is well balanced and will last a long time. If you follow these tips when making your compost, you will find that you are able to grow mushrooms and other plants more easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.